FIESTA Chemistry Invaders is a fun and interactive mobile game where it enables students to learn about molecular geometries in the most enjoyable way ever. It is an arcade-style shooter app that can help students to learn and identify the various types of molecular geometries such as linear, trigonal planar, tetrahedral, trigonal bipyramidal, and octahedral. How does it work? When the game has started, you would be given a certain amount of time to shoot as many molecular geometry models as possible. Each 10-second segment of the game selects a certain molecular geometry, and we have to target the correct models in order to score 5 points. If a student shoots the incorrect model during the 10-second period, the student will lose 1 point. Once the timer has reached 90 seconds, the game is stopped and the score will be shown.
Exchange is an interesting website for students where students can view the molecular geometry in 3D shape. This is a very helpful website for those students who feel hard to visualize the molecular geometry of an element. This way, students can feel easier to understand how the structures are bonded and enhances their understanding in molecular geometry. Now, when we click into the website, there are two choices to be chosen. One is a model and the other one is a real molecule. For better understanding, students can choose model as a beginning for their learning process. Now students can add the bonding to see the molecular geometry. Not only that, the name of molecular geometry and bond angle is also provided. When students understand the basic molecular geometry structures, students can click in the real molecules, for example methane CH4. Here they can see the molecular geometry of methane. Not only that, the name of molecular geometry and bond angles also will be known. From these ways, students can easily understand where the structure is bonded and also the bond angle that exists.
Now, let us look more into detail about the molecular geometry of methane. Once we choose the option of methane on the option of molecules, it will show us a structure and visualization of how methane is supposed to look like. This will give students a better knowledge and better visualization about the shape. Hence, students can identify whether the shape is tetrahedral, trigonal planar, or many more. The bond angle is also shown.